Now Kai's excited. Find the bird. Nope, find the bird. Find the bird. He was right off this edge here, I thought. Unless he ran. Maybe we need to add some more weight to him. Oh, back up, guys. Diego, you find the bird? The wind's on my coming towards me. Now he smells something. Mechanic, come back here with me, please. Did you find it? He's still trusting his nose and not his eyes. He smells it though. I just walked over top of it.
He found it.
I wonder if we can flush it up. Good boy. Uh-oh.